Hello everyone. Today we start with the chapter 8 Sound and Noise. In the previous class we have learned about sounds around us. Sounds made by human beings, sounds made by animals and sounds in nature. Today we are going to learn about different kinds of sounds. There are mainly four kinds of sounds: pleasant and unpleasant sounds, soft and loud sounds, sharp and dull sounds, warning sounds. First, pleasant sounds. Any sound that we enjoy hearing and that makes us relaxed is a pleasant sound. We like to hear such kinds of sounds. Musical instruments make pleasant sounds when musicians play them. The musical instruments are the examples of pleasant sounds. Musical instruments are of various kinds, and when played properly, they produce pleasant sounds. Some musical instruments produce sound if air is blown into them. For example, flutes and harmonicas produce sound when we blow air into them. And some produce sound if their strings are plugged. For example, violins and guitars produce sounds when we plug their strings. And some others produce sound when they are beaten. For example, tablas and drums. Sitar, sarod, piano and santoor are some more musical instruments. Next, unpleasant sounds. Unpleasant sounds are those which irritate us and make us uncomfortable. For example, the sounds of horns, aeroplanes, and the people quarreling are the examples of unpleasant sounds. Soft and loud sounds. Some sounds are soft and some are loud. Mewing of cats and whispering and tweeting of birds are the examples of soft sounds. And the beating of drums, ringing of bells and thundering of clouds after lightning are loud sounds. So what are the examples of soft sounds? Loud sound has a high volume while soft sound has a low volume. Banging of a hammer and a car's horn are examples of loud sounds, while playing of a piano and the sound of blowing wind are examples of soft sounds. Sharp and dull sounds. Some sounds are sharp and high pitched. So what is pitch? Pitch is the degree of lowness or highness of a voice or sound. The sounds of flutes and whistles are sharp, but some sounds are dull or low pitched. For example, the sounds made by drums and tubas are the examples of dull sounds. Next kind of sound is warning sounds. Warning sounds are loud sounds used to alert people to any kind of danger to life or any emergency. These are used so that people can move out of places or situations that may prove dangerous to them. Some important warning sounds are, first one, we know the warning sound of the police jeep then ambulance, the siren of the ambulance, then fire engine. All these are the examples of warning sounds. A fire alarm warns people about the fire in a building. This helps in early evacuation of the area, thus saving the lives of the people. It also helps to alert people responsible for fire fighting. Next, the siren of an ambulance alerts people to give way to it so that the ill people can get medical treatment on time. A police siren is loud and warns people to move out of the way so that people in danger can be rescued. All these are the examples of warning sounds. So today we have learnt about different kinds of sounds, and we have to do this true or false in the textbook, page number 91. Musical instruments make unpleasant sounds when musicians play them. That is false. Musical instruments make pleasant sounds when musicians play them. The sounds of flutes and whistles are sharp. True. Warning sounds used to alert people are soft sounds. False. So, what is the difference between sound and noise? Sound is what we hear. Noise is unwanted sound. The sound and noise are different. Sound is what we hear, but noise is unwanted sound. The difference between sound and noise depends upon the listener and the circumstances. Sound is produced by vibrating objects and reaches the listener's ears as waves in the air or other media. Do the next exercise in the textbook itself, page number 94. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following animals makes a hoot sound? Answer: owl. This musical instrument produces sound when its strings are plucked. Violin. This vehicle alerts people about an emergency by making loud sounds. Ambulance. Which of the following is a bad effect of noise pollution? Hearing loss. Which of the following helps in reducing noise pollution? Avoiding unnecessary honking. Do this to exercise in the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.